Assalamu alaikum and good day to all of you. Finally, I am sure the next morning after that exam, you must have had a feeling of, it's done and over. However, I have been present to the things that has happened since the time most of you, आप लोग जितने लोग जब एग्ज़ाम हॉल से बाहर निकले, तो जो इमोशंस थे और कई बच्चे मैं देखा दे हैव बीन क्राइंग एंड पेरेंट्स ने भी बताया कई पेरेंट्स ने कि बहुत डिप्रेस्ड है, सैड है। तो कुछ 2 या 3 चीज़ थी बच्चों। नाउ इट इज़ डन। टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ एंड स्टॉप maybe finding faults with yourself. This has been a tough exam. Never in the history of NEET they have given a physics paper like that. In fact, some questions were beyond understanding, they were lengthy, and most importantly, they were even above JEE level. So, none of the people, in fact, could have cracked those questions. So, overall, the scores would have come down for everybody. So, first of all, stop chasing this thing about मेरे कम मार्क्स आ रहे हैं। हमको क्या देखना है? हमको रैंक देखना है अभी। Let's hold our horses. Take a deep breath. Wait for the relative ranking to come out. Let's all, because you don't have answers, we don't have answers as of now. Only ranks will tell. To physics to physics, the other two subjects paper was designed such that you take a lot of time. लेंदी क्वेश्चंस, रीडिंग, एनालिसिस, उसमें क्या हुआ? हार्डली कुछ टाइम बचा फिजिक्स करने के लिए। ये हुआ। पेरेंट्स, आप लोग प्लीज इस चीज को समझें कि जिस तरीके से जो एग्जामिनेशन बॉडी ने इसको डिजाइन किया था, दे हैड टू प्रूव अ पॉइंट पॉसिबली बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट हैपेंड लास्ट ईयर। सो आप लोग बिल्कुल इत्मीनान फिलहाल रखें, और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली बच्चे, आप लोग मायूस नहीं होंगे। देखो, ऊपर वाले के ऊपर फेथ रखना और उसके प्लान पे ऊपर हमेशा एतमाद रखना और बिलीफ रखना कि वॉट एवर इज देयर, इट इज गोइंग टू बी गुड फॉर मी। एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली, वॉट यू हैव लर्नड ओवर द लास्ट 1 year, और फॉर सम ऑफ यू फॉर द लास्ट 2 years, you become more disciplined, you started focusing well, you know how to balance time, you have done hard work, you have actually had built a solid character, you started understanding how to handle unforeseen situations and manage ambiguity. इससे बेहतर और क्या हो सकता है? This has developed in such an age a solid and most importantly an amazing holistic human being in you within 2 years or 1 year's time. Look at that. Look at the positive side. See, you don't fail. Either you win or you learn. And reflect on these learnings and just chill for some time, reflect and take the learnings out, and inshallah you will use all of this learning in managing your life further as well. So until the time the results are out, just relax. Parents, please take care and don't beat yourself up that ये अच्छे से नहीं हुआ है। जो कुछ हुआ अब उसको रिफ्लेक्ट करके आगे बढ़ते हैं।